Hi you guys, we are Hannah and Nathan.
And we are in Slovenia. And in this video, we are back to doing what we love the most before a full summer of van life adventures.
It has been just over 2 years since we last left the UK, and after Nathan spending the past 2 birthdays in lockdowns, we venture out to our 31st country to celebrate his 29th birthday.
This is part 1 of our 3-part series, and we bond with our hire car Alfred whilst learning to drive on the other side of the road.
I'm just on the motorway on the other side of the road. We try not to make our usual abroad mistake of buying sparkling water. Walk the red carpet, meet the locals and explore southern Slovenia, as well as visiting its capital, Ljubljana. Good morning, this is day 1 of our Slovenia trip and we are in Ljubljana. Just picked up our hire car.
Calling him Alfred,
Yeah,
aren't we?
this is Alfred's. We've never driven on this side of the road, have we?
Yeah, the steering wheel's over here, like on the passenger, but I'm driving.
And I'm the passenger and I'm not driving. It feels really weird. I'm just so nervous.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. Got about 160 kilometres today heading to Piran, but we've got to stop on the way, so we'll be there now.
Yeah, Alfred will try not to crash you.
Go on the Alfred the Great.
Alfred the Great.
Yes.
I'm not even driving and this is horrendous.
You dizzy yet?
I am, if we go round again. Okay, up there.
Yeah. 2 roundabouts. It's alright.
Well done.
Just feel weird. I'm on the gap. Okay, let's go. The power.
Just pulled in at the Hoffer, aka Aldi, for some water. The test is it still or is it sparkling? We always get sparkling, don't we? I hope it's still.
Oh, I can see bubble. Oh no.
Oh no.
We've got 2 packs as well.
Oh, is it? I know it's still.
Is it?
Yeah, it's still. Oh.
Ah, it's first time for
I
everything.
know, 12 bottles of still water. Winning.
Get in.
And Nath was like, do you want to drive now? I'm still a bit scared, so I know I need to do it, I'm gonna do it. But
Yeah, you smash it later.
I'll wait for it to be a bit quieter.
Not literally.
Oh no, not literally smash it, don't worry. Alfred, we won't literally smash you up. So first activity of the day is Predjama Castle, which is just behind us.
Yeah, just over there. And we're also in bear territory, but we haven't seen any bears yet. Just one little sleepy feline down there.
I want to see a bear.
I don't know how I feel about
I really
that.
want to see one. A nice one.
Yeah, a fluffy one that we can touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, should we go in?
Let's go. Predjama Castle was built within a cave mouth and is the world's largest cave castle to date. This magnificent castle has been perched in this 400-foot cliff for over 800 years.
You learn much?
It's hard to take it all in, isn't it? All in one go.
Yeah.
Even though this castle is riddled with bats and pigeons, it is ranked among the 10 most fascinating castles in the world.
After larking about and exploring the castle some more, just found a bear.
To come with us?
Yeah, so just behind me is the original entrance to the castle. Hannah's just behind me, coming for a walk down to have a gander. Is this where we're staying tonight?
So We're just outside of this beautiful castle now after spending a good hour walking around inside. There was so much information provided as well by the audio guide, wasn't there?
Yeah, we won't relay all that now, but yeah, it's massive inside because obviously it goes right back into that cave. So yeah, it's pretty big, pretty steep as well, and very interesting.
Yeah, really interesting. There's lots of stairs, lots of rooms, and I really love the windows as well, because when you look out, you're looking out onto such a beautiful view. It's just, yeah, it's lovely in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good as well because we practically had it to ourselves.
Yeah, we're here in March, so it's the off-peak season and the weather's beautiful. There's nobody, well, there's a couple of people here, isn't there really? That's it.
Yeah, it's that good. I've got my legs out. Back in the car now, and we're heading south again to Koper. So we've just had a lovely afternoon walking around Koper, if that's how you say it. It's a little bit unexpected, but it's been lovely, hasn't it?
It's been really nice, just a nice little stop off, hasn't it? Really cute, and it's one of those places that remind you of a lot of places.
Yeah, we can't quite put our finger to it, but yeah, we've been to the main square, Tito Square. We've seen loads of like massive jellyfish as well, haven't we? Jellyfish
are huge, like never seen so many of them anywhere ever. So yeah, that was unexpected, wasn't it?
Yeah, and we're just going to go up to the hotel, which isn't too far, about 20-minute drive from here, to check in for the next few days. Also, this morning when we woke up, Hannah says it's -3, what do you want to put shorts on for? Well, no clouds in the sky, the sea's just over there and it's actually quite warm. That's why I've put my shorts on.
Yeah, well, you've proved me wrong then, haven't you?
Ah, we're at the seaside.
Next stop, Piran. We are here and we're super excited about this one, aren't we? Because if you've watched our previous videos, you will know that we haven't really done luxury holidays, have we?
No, yeah, it's going to be a bit of a step up from keeping in the back of Claudia.
Yeah, it is. So it's a proper treat, isn't it, for us?
Yeah, let's go check in.
My way.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
We've just had a bit of a lazy morning, but it is a Sunday. But today we are going to have a walk into Piran.
Yeah, I mean the weather's beautiful as well. I couldn't ask for it to be any better than this. Not a cloud in the sky.
So yeah, last night we just chilled for a bit and we come for a walk out down here for some food and some drinks, and the people there are so friendly and lovely, aren't they?
The people were really friendly. We went into a few different bars, didn't we? And they were telling us that they don't get many people at all visit from the UK. It's mainly Croatia, Hungary.
Anything to eat?
I'm fine, I've had breakfast, so I'm alright. Where does Austria?
Yeah,
Croatia, Italy, yeah. So it just felt real cool, into like this is the sort of a broad vibe that we've missed. Like,
yeah, they just wanted to speak to us, just have a conversation and just give us like drinks, like local drinks. We had this one, it's cognac, that was it, schnapps, 50%.
Their local drink, schnapps, 50%. Yeah.
I tried this local wine, give us feedback.
Yeah, the local wine was nicer, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's quite good for someone who doesn't drink wine.
Yeah, this may explain why we've had a lazy morning as well.
Welcome to Piran.
Yeah, we're not buying that. Let's move on.
So we've just come up to the top of Piran. We're going on the walls now. The walls around the town, village.
Walls of Piran.
Walls of Piran, yeah.
That's where we are.
Yeah, tell you're a student.
Oh yeah,
We're students.
Students
yeah.
we are.
Today, yeah.
Yeah, the lady behind the desk thought that we were students. Like, yeah,
We'll take that.
we'll take that. Just gonna climb the ladder. It's actually really steep now. Climb the ladder.
Legs are burning. So we're at one of the tallest points now in Piran, and the views are epic.
Oh, the views are amazing, and Piran is such a nice little city, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool as well, because just over there I believe is Croatia, and just over there I believe is Italia.
And because it's clear, we can actually see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool.
So we're about all Piran'd out now.
Yeah, it's only a tiny little city and we've managed to walk around a lot of it, haven't we? Well, most of it, so...
Yeah, tick.
Time to find some food now because I'm hungry.
Thing with Piran as well, if you come in March, you don't find anyone wearing shorts apart from a British tourist.
Oh yeah, now if you stick out like a mile off with your shorts on, any excuse to get your legs out.
It's on 15C, it's the first time since October.
Room's been made up. Spoiled, aren't they?
Jeez, I didn't think it could look this tidy. We just stopped for a quick swim.
Yeah, this hotel is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big kudos from us. So, breakfast opens at 7. It's 10 to 7.
We're the only ones here.
And somebody can't wait. She's starving. There's a little bit of activity, but nobody's opened the door yet.
Breakfast! Yay! Breakfast time!
You gonna have any champagne?
I'm planning on driving. Use your muscles. Slacking a bit there now.
Alfred.
There he is.
Just remember, they drive on the other side of the road.
I'll try.
Stay away from the curbs. See out the mirrors alright? How are you finding it then?
Alright, getting used to driving on the other side of the road a bit more now. I was really anxious this morning before I knew that we was coming out again, but I knew I needed to do it. I wanted to push myself outside my comfort zone because if you don't do it, I'd have regretted it.
Yeah, it's the best way, isn't it? Like, if anyone wants to do something new and they're a bit worried, just try not to think about it until it happens, otherwise you'll talk yourself out of it.
I didn't want to talk myself out of it, and I'm glad that I've got you now because you pushed me and encouraged me to do it as well, so thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Just on the motorway, on the other side of the road.
Yes. Piran's got us safely to the park and ride. The next stop, hopefully we'll get on this bus.
Hopefully it's the right one.
So I think we've made it to Ljubljana,
Which is the capital of Slovenia. As well as being the capital city of Slovenia, Ljubljana is one of the smallest capital cities in Europe.
This city is fascinating to walk around and soak up the colourful buildings and architecture.
Yeah, it's just crazy how you're just looking out onto the city and then right behind it you've got those snow-capped mountains. It's mad, isn't it?
Stunning.
Absolutely beautiful. Pressing on, and we make our way around the other part of the city before it gets very mysterious. Tell me when it gets to 30 seconds on there.
Do you see?
Everything just goes a bit wavy. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to leave this video here.
And this is what we get up to next. After basing ourselves at Bled, we end up driving up and down some sketchy mountain passes.
Next right onto Limnica, Koper, Rudno, signs for Koper, Drasgos.
To the stunning Socha Valley. We visit Slovenia's largest lake.
Take some leisurely strolls in the Julian Alps, as well as taking a leisurely, relaxing boat ride on Lake Bled.
But things don't always go to plan. Change of plan, driven for 2.5 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
And the last 900 metres, the road doesn't exist, they're building the road. So we can't get to where we want to be.